Okay, so I will be showing you how to replace the light inside the gear selector, because as you can see, there is no light and it should be on. Anyway, there's no bulb in there right now. So to do this, you just need a 10mm socket, and this is a nut driver, 10mm, and a T5 bulb. I got an LED one here from Lazada. And first off, need some light. Just undo this fastener here, then pull up and then set that aside. Then there's another fastener there. And you need to pull these clips here. Oh, you need something pointy to push the middle in. I have a toothpick here. There you go. Make sure you don't lose the middle part. And get the other side. See, this is what happens when you lose the middle part. It just doesn't lock anymore. Anyway, just pull this up out of the way. And the bulb is under there. Let's get a good angle. See this? Then you just plug this in like so. Wait. Oh, there you go. It's pretty bright. Make sure it's in there, nice and tight. There. And if it's a good idea to plug these LED ones in while the light while it's switched on. Oh, that's actually getting hot. As I was saying, it's a good idea to plug this in while it's switched on, because sometimes they are polarized, and if you plug them in the wrong way, they won't light up. So you can immediately know if you put it in correctly. Let's stick it in the hole. There you go. There you go. Oh, medyo hirap pihitin. There. Let's see what color the light is. It's almost blue, like a blue green. It's because I changed the rubber thing that gives it color. It's supposed to be orange. I think it's that one that used to be there. It's very orange. It's kind of like that. Yeah, wasn't really a fan of that, so there you go. Anyway, I kind of like that blue green tint. I might just stick with that. Not sure about the heating up. Hopefully it's not gonna damage itself or the socket. Probably not gonna damage the socket because the regular style, which is like a halogen or incandescent, those get really hot, let me tell you. Now let's put the covers back on. Oh, just get this. Like that. Line up the hole there for the fastener. Tighten that up. Doesn't have to be super tight, since, well, doesn't weigh very much. And while you're down here, might as well do a little cleaning. Wonder what that is. Get the one for the handbrake here. And make sure that you don't get the carpet stuck under there. Where's the fastener? It's in here somewhere.
Nut driver. Tighten that up. Just has to be snug. There you go.
And let's not forget the clips that go in here. So you see that bit, it's sticking out. When you push this clip in, you need to flush this in with the rest of it. So there. There, that's good. Make sure you don't push it in too far, or you'll end up like this. Okay. Good as new. Even better because it's blue now. I'm really digging that color. And I can really see the indicator now. I have to put my foot on the brake because the engine's running. Okay. Hopefully you guys learned something. Leave a comment about maybe some other thing that you might want me to try doing a video of. Like, I'm thinking of making a video about replacing taillight bulbs next. So yeah, just leave your suggestions.